You got to treat failures as data, not flops, right? A failure is only a failure if you quit. You're going to fail in this business a lot because in order to succeed, you first must fail. That means you're going to have like covers that suck. You're going to publish books that suck. You're going to get freelancers that suck. Like everything's going to suck for a while. And that's good because if you don't know what sucks, you don't know how to make the adjustments so it just doesn't suck in the future, right? We have to go through the bad in order to get the good. And when you launch a book and it just, drops or doesn't do anything, you ask yourself, why did this book not take off the way that I was hoping? What could I have done differently? And it's not like, well, the algorithm, Emeka, the algorithm. It's never the algorithm, you idiot. It's never. It's you. And the beauty of is when you accept responsibility, you can fix it because it's you. You can't fix the algorithm. You can't. You can fix you though. So whenever something doesn't go your way and you quote unquote fail, step back, breathe, ask yourself, why did I fail? Why did this not work out? What happened? And it'll be like, okay, well, why is this book dead after 3 weeks? What happened? I don't know. Did you run a promotion? Okay, you run ads. Well, the ads didn't work. Why? Because the platform's broken? No. Well, I don't really understand why the ads didn't work. Oh, so are you saying you might not understand ads? Okay, that could be one. But let's dive deep. How's your cover, right? Should we look at your cover? How's your title? How's your description? How's your topic? You have to keep removing layers to understand why something fails. Because the only way you can figure out why something fails is how you can fix it. That's the only reason. That's the only way you can do this. So the biggest tip I can give for you is get really good and really fast at removing all your emotion from this business. So all that's left is rational data decision making. When you make your decisions based on your data that you get, you just make better decisions. And that is so key, right? And that alone is why I love doing reviews of students' books or accounts or ads or whatever, right? Because I'm not emotionally tied to it. Just like I'm not emotionally tied to my ads. I just look at the data and determine this needs to change, that needs to change, this needs to change, and then you just get results. So remove the emotion, only use the data. Okay, Act 3, Section 3, business.